Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia Tablet Z, and today I'll show you how you can insert the SD card. And to get started straight away, once you flip it, the side you can see right here we have this SD rating, and you just need to pry it up. There we go. And it can swivel out, and then here you have this free spot. We can take your card and just slide it in. As you can see, I'm placing it this way. That's the screen right here. So like so. As you can see, at the moment it's not all the way, so using your fingernail, if it's long enough, or something else, just to push it down, you can do so. Now there will be an audible click where it's going to click in place and stay there. Once you want to take it out, all you need to do is just press it down again. As you can see, it comes out. There we go. Now the card should be working automatically, so let's see if it is. And there we go. So there's our SD card. And as you can see, it's working automatically. So anyway, that is how you insert your SD card into this tablet. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.